Here it is, y'all. My shrimp and grits from Yardbird, famous restaurant. What do you know about that here? Yo, it's look at the gravy. I'm gonna taste it right now. I'm gonna let you guys know how it is. This truly tastes like the grits
There's a special where
I used to get when I was down in Blackville, South Carolina, visiting my uncle and my cousins. Got a little onion on that one. I haven't even eaten the shrimp yet. The grits are delicious. No, honestly, just a little bit. I'm talking about very, very little salty, but it's delicious. It's not too salty, but for me, like, you know, let's try the shrimp now. I like wild caught shrimp. I can tell the difference between wild caught and fresh shrimp. Yes, that right there, that's wild caught shrimp. Yardbird, shrimp and grits, simply delicious. I want to eat with my fingers. Let's eat with these.
Biscuits of Jay's Clothes downtown. Restaurant. These are the best biscuits. They're closed.
I approve. This is Matt TV Eats, y'all. I approve of Yardbird's biscuits. #1. We're in Miami, South Beach. This is Matt TV. Matt TV Eats.
That's funny.
Matt TV Travels.
What are the odds? What are the odds?
See you guys next time.
What are the odds?